So hello guys and welcome back to SOP Academy. So in this video we have hiring updates from three companies. The first company is Zoho, the second one is Terralogic, and the last company, which is third, is Sapiens. So we will discuss the eligibility criteria, who all are eligible, the job description and the hiring process. So first we will start with Zoho. Zoho is hiring for the role of software developer. The test will be on September 1st and the last date to apply for this drive will be 31st August till 5 p.m. So you can apply it before that. All the links are in description. So after watching this video, you can apply in all the three companies. So year of pass out which are eligible are 2020 and 2021. The job description is as follows. You will develop, test and implement new software programs, write clean and efficient code, prototype and develop scalable and reliable mobile applications, troubleshoot, debug and maintain the existing software problems, monitor the quality, performance and usage of developed functions in the applications, and last one, work closely with other developers. So it is a combination of development, testing and other features. So the interview process will be conducted online. Shortlisted candidates will get an email confirmation for the level 1 graduate aptitude test. So first test will be a general aptitude test which will take place on September 1. After that, if you qualify that round, you will be shortlisted for other rounds. So shortlisted candidates will be informed via email and more details regarding the next rounds will be sent in the call letter. Please do not apply if you have attended a written test or interviewed at Zoho anytime in the last 3 months and if you are a pass out of 2022 batch. So only 2020 and 2021 pass out batch. The branches or the streams they have not mentioned because Zoho basically does not hire based on your branch or stream. They only require that you must have software programming knowledge. So that is all they demand from you. This is the registration form. You will have to fill this form and attach your resume and then submit. And if you are eligible, you will receive the round 1 details such as general aptitude test link. The second company is Terralogic. They are basically hiring through Glassdoor platform. The role they are offering is software engineer. The location provided is Bangalore. So it is an entry level job mentioned here, that is freshers can apply for this job. The eligibility criteria: bachelor's or master degree holders in any discipline as long as you can challenge yourself with excellent program solving skills, and pass out batch of 2020 and 2021 graduates only. So any bachelor or master's degree can apply. Only thing that they require is programming skills. You must also have good written and verbal communication skills, drive and self-motivation, ability to work in fast-paced environment, demonstrate ability to prioritize and multitask. Work location will be Bangalore or Chennai, any of these two locations. The number of positions which are currently open are 30. So you can apply as soon as possible. So minimum percentage criteria 60% and above, and the skills they are asking for is one or more of the following, that is C, C++, Java, Python, Perl or TCL. So you must know one or more than one of the following. For applying to this company, you just have to click on Ease Apply if you have an account on Glassdoor. Otherwise, first you will create an account on Glassdoor and then click on Ease Apply. The third company is Sapiens. They are basically hiring for quality analyst role. This is the job ID. You can use this job ID for getting the referral from employees. The location being provided is Bangalore. Now the eligibility criteria: BE, BTech, BSc in computer science, computer engineering or any related field, proven experience of 0 to 2 years as a quality tester or similar role. So an internship or an job experience between 0 to 2 years will be eligible. Understanding of QA methodology. QA basically stands for quality assurance, that is testing related job. Programming skills should have maps business and technical requirements into test cases, experience in P&C insurance, familiarity with the agile frameworks and regression testing is a plus. Ability to document and troubleshoot errors, working knowledge of test management softwares, example QA Complete, Rally, ClearQuest, etc. and SQL also. Excellent communication skills, attention to detail, analytical mind and problem solving aptitude, passion for testing, strong organization skills. So these are the skills that they are demanding. To apply for this drive, you simply have to click on apply now. On the top right corner, you have to click on this button and follow whatever they ask. So if you find any trouble in applying in any of the three companies, then you can comment down in the video. I will let you know the answer to that query. So that is all for this video. See you soon in the next video.